Hi everyone, Ishani from ARGOS Labs here. In this short video, I will explain two tools, waiting pop-up verification and close pop-up system call. Many web services use pop-up screens to guide the users and to provide additional functionalities. Waiting pop-up verification tool makes your robot wait for a certain pop-up window before proceeding the automation. You have to specify the title and the URL of the pop-up. Secondly, the Close Pop-up tool forces all the pop-up windows to close so that the automation can focus on the main page. This is useful when unexpected advertisements show up as a pop-up when trying to automate something on the main page. Okay, let's test run it.